Good afternoon, everyone. I'm MAPS Coach Liz Landry, and I am here today as we wrap up Mega Camp 21 to give you my key takeaways. So there was a lot of information you guys got this week. I know it was a lot of screen time. Let's narrow it down for you. My big takeaway, number one, don't try to be an expert at everything. Be an expert at something. You heard a lot of people get on panels and be interviewed who are crushing it at something. They're not crushing it at everything. They didn't say, here's where I excel in these 18 categories. They said, here's what I do really well. Here's what I do really well with my database. Here's what I do really well with client events. Here's what I do really well with inspections. Here's what I do really well with negotiating offers. They were very specific, very pointed. We don't need to have 800 different things that we are the expert at. We need to find something and we need to nail that one thing. Just one. So that was my first key takeaway. Number two, come from contribution. You heard a lot of speakers this week talk about why they have so much is because they give so much. And when they paused business when the pandemic hit to help the community and how that paid them back dividends. Now, they didn't do this so that they would get business, but because of these acts, because of how they gave back, business naturally flowed to them. They pour into others and then others pour into them. So always come from contribution and see what you can do to help your community, your coworkers, your team members. The last one, and if you've seen any of it, you've heard this 100 times during this week's events, seek out talent. It's all about the talent. If you can surround yourself with talent, and that could be team members or affiliates of your team, seek out that talent, know what talent looks like. Everybody up there succeeded through other people in one way or another. Nobody succeeds alone, whether it was their coach, their awesome team leaders, the OP that brought them in, their sponsors, their lenders who pour into their business, whatever it might be. Maybe it's even just the books they read that pour into them. Yet everybody surrounds themselves with talent, and talent is what will get you to the next level. So those are our three key takeaways for Mega Camp 21. I hope you guys enjoyed the event. We look forward to seeing you again next year. Hopefully we'll be in person at that point in time. And be sure to share your takeaways with your team members and your coworkers in your office. Have a great day.